Okay. Um, it seems like I'm alone today. Oh, okay. Have a new coming, one new coming here. Yes. Hi, guys. Welcome to Learn Thai with Victor today. Yeah, this is our sessions for the 18th, number 18 now. And I suppose that I will change the topics to the word of similarities of the words now, because many times the topics from the last week or the previous weeks, we just talking about the similarities of the words. Yes, welcome everyone. Now is the time to learn Thai. Let's learn Thai together. All right. So how is it going? How's your week? อืมเป็นอย่างไรบ้างครับ Yes. How are you? How are you? อืม Yeah, you can write it down on our comment. Yes, that Victor would like to know the things about my friends. That how is it going? Right. So yeah, for the new guys here or that not explain about yourself much, you can explain that in brief. What is your name? คุณชื่ออะไรนะครับ you can explain like that for the new guys that come here คุณชื่ออะไร and for the คุณมาจากไหนคุณมาจากไหนนะครับ where are you come from you can use this sentence to explain as well that ผม or ฉันมาจากประเทศนะครับประเทศ that means country นะครับ so happy to see all of you guys now have a seventh viewers have a seventh come here สวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับคุณนิกิต as usual you come on time. Mm-hmm. Yeah, thank you from your support and everyone that come to see me every time on time every Friday นะครับทุกวันศุกร์นะครับทุกๆวันศุกร์ every Friday that come to see and watch and learn with Victor every week. So today we're gonna learn about the words that have a similar in sound, right? Because every time that the more vocabulary that you approach about the Thai language, the thing will be more complicated, especially tones, right? Tones, vowels, and sometimes the difference in consonants that it make you misunderstand and miscommunicate with the word, especially when you talk it with real Thai. So for today, about the last time, okay, talking about the last time first, that we're talking about the two words. It is เนื้อ นื้อ that is mean meat, remember, and เหนือ that mean north. So for today, we're going to learn the more words, and the first two words that I'm be talking about is this one. Okay, let's get started. So for the first two, I will just make it in the transliteration. Wait a moment. All right. Okay. So this one, I'm post is in the first one around 8:36 for the anyone that come to watch this live stream after this is ended. You can know that what is it, what when it is start. So the first word is ประเทศประเทศ in Thai script it look like this ประเทศประเทศ anyone know it? Anyone knows this word? What does it mean? ประเทศประเทศ I have a clues for you. This is the word that you use every time when you explain yourself that when you come from somewhere. when you come from your place, you have to use this word to explain or introduce yourself. What does it mean? Anyone know it? Of course. Okay. Yes, very good. That is country. So it is good start, right? So for the next one that is have the sound similar. Let's see that you can know it or not. Okay. The next one is this one. Let's see. Here. So the next word is ประเภท ประเภท have the like a ประ for the first syllable, like the word country. So this one, can you figure out what does it mean? Yes. ประเภท ประเภท This one, when you want to explain about the things that is separately, you have to use this word to explain. ประเภท ประเภท Okay. Anyone that understand this word? So as you can see, that have a T sound for the final consonant for this one, but for the another one of the country, we have the T sound like the ทอทหารนะครับ ทอทหาร that is make it different in consonant. Okay, so I will answer this one. ประเภท this one mean groups or categories. Okay, it looks like this in Thai script. ประเภท ประเภท in categories. So I will give you the example for the first one. ประเทศ first. All right. I will give the example that is very simple. Okay. For the new coming, I'm start the comment from the around 8:36. So when you come after this to learn from this live streaming after it ended, you can start to see it from the comment around 8:36. นะครับ Okay, for the first one, the example of the ประเทศ ฉันชอบไปประเทศไทย ฉันชอบไปประเทศไทย So when you want to say the word country in Thai, just make the name of the country after the word ประเทศนะครับ after the word ประเทศ for example for the England we say in the word อังกฤษ อังกฤษ okay, so you can say ประเทศอังกฤษ ประเทศอังกฤษนะครับ So I have the question. I suppose that for the one that know Thai already is not too complicated. What about China? What is the word of the China in Thai? China. Can anyone else say that word in Thai? China. Anyone? China. So put the word ประเทศin front of the name of the country. So it is have a specific name for that. China. So it is ประเทศจีน ประเทศจีน very good. So when you say I like to go or I like China, so ฉันชอบประเทศจีน ใช่ ฉันชอบประเทศจีน นะครับ just like that. So it is very simple. For the another one that I would like to acknowledge for someone that didn't know about this, it is about nationalities. For the nationalities in Thai, it's not have to make it like the prefix to change, but just use the name of the country. For example, like the word China, we not use the word Chinese, but use the word like the word same country. For example, Jin, it is mean China in Thai. So put the word a person. A person in Thai is คน okay? So if you want to change from the country to nationalities, you use the word คนจีนคนจีนคนจีน okay when you want to change from the country to nationalities just use the name of the country in Thai and change and put and add more word in front of the name of the country the person in front of the country คนจีนคนจีน or the word country about England or UK you can say อังกฤษ so คนอังกฤษ English okay that's all for to use for the change from country to nationalities okay so for the another example of the word categories in Thai ประเภทนะครับ I have this one that you can use for to question the things all right let's use this one I will pronounce this one for you อาหารไทยมีกี่ประเภทอาหารไทยมีกี่ประเภท see the word categories this one you can use this one like a classifier okay so อาหาร let's say from the word อาหารอาหาร that means food so every style of the food you can use the word อาหาร to be the suffix and followed by the name of the country for example Thai cuisine อาหารไทยอาหารไทย okay Thai cuisine so for the next one is me that is like a word how many to have okay this one is explained about that and ki this word is very interesting when you want to asking about the number when you want to asking the quantified of the number for example this is the sentence that you can use very useful it is about what time is it what time is it in Thai is okay I will wait for someone okay Kuniki, you can say that for me but anyone else that can say except Kuniki about what time is it in Thai it is start from the word ki as well ki yes welcome for the anyone that is new guys here new coming to learn with Victor this is sessions number 18 now and we are in the similarities of the words about the word ประเทศ and ประเภท and now I'm wait for the answer of the word yes กี่โมงแล้ว thank you so much คุณโมนิกานะครับ sorry if I say your name wrong okay กี่โมงแล้วใช่ใช่กี่โมงแล้ว very good so when you want to say about the numbers of anything you can say by this one for another example it is about the currency that you want to say how much in baht กี่บาท see very simple you just say by the classifier what is classifier it is the things that when you want to take a number or quantify the things in Thai it is very important so first is number for example when you want to say two dogs first หมา that mean dogs okay หมา with rising tone okay rising tone is just like this หมา okay หมาสองตัวหมาสองตัวสอง that mean number two and ตัว is to explain that it is a particle of classifier it is not like in English that sometimes you can say that but every time that you want to explain about the number in Thai you have to take the classifier with together with it okay หมาสองตัว two dogs I suppose that it likes if you want to change it to become change from singular nouns to plural nouns you have to put s es right? You have to change the words to make sense that is now plurals. But in Thai, when you counting numbers, you have to put the specific or particular of the classifier of the categories of that things. For example, for the animals, you have to say ตัวสองตัว number first and then followed by the word ตัว so how about if I say five dogs, okay, anyone can make a simple sentence for me if I say five dogs, how can I say that in Thai? Five dogs. Anyone? Yes. Yeah, I'm happy to see that I have 8 person here. There's หมา 5 ตัว Thank you so much คุณแซม ใช่ครับ หมา 5 ตัว The classifier is just like that. Very good. So yeah. So when you want to asking in opposite, when you want to make it to become question statement, just say กี่ตัว Put the word กี่ and the classifier of the things. For example, หมา is in the category of animals. So when you're asking about that, how many dogs how many dogs are there? So หมากี่ตัว มีหมากี่ตัว So example นะครับ so just like how many people in this live stream มีกี่คนมีกี่คนมี7 คนมี10 คน for example นะครับ okay thank you guys for coming today. Yes, welcome everyone. Okay, and the word ประเภท is just another classifier but not the actual classifier, just like in groups that you can explain. So for example of this one, อาหารไทยมีกี่ประเภท อาหารไทยมีกี่ประเภท so this sentence is a question want to asking about the how many kinds or how many groups categories of Thai food, right? Thai cuisine. So for example, I will say just the regular food and dessert. So 2 ประเภท 2 ประเภท 2 categories. Okay, you can explain like that with anything that is about categories with the word ประเภท. Okay, use the word carefully. It's not ประเภท not t sound. No, it's ประเภท with the d sound at the end of the word. Okay, with the word categories. So that is the difference. If anyone have any questions or another question about the Thai language, feel free to ask. Don't hesitate, okay? Yes. If I don't know about that, I will keep research and have it shared here with all you guys in our next class, okay? So we're gonna learn through the next word. Okay, let's go. We have the another pairs of the word. It is very simple, but I think for the beginners is important, and for the one that knowing about the Thai language from more, want to learn more, this one will be very useful. So let's get started. For the first one here is นาที I will write it down in transliteration. And this one, the second one is in Thai script. นาที What does it mean? นาที Anyone know it? Anyone knows it? Yeah, นาที. The thing is about time. Very important because you have to see time every day, right? So this one, นาที minute. Okay. Thank you so much คุณ Carlos นะครับ Okay, so it has another word that is sound very similar. So can you figure out of this one? Okay. นาที very good. Yes, that means 5 minutes, right? Okay, so the word that is sounds the same, but in TypeScript, it is have something that is not similar. But let's see that our guys here that is understand what does it mean for the word หน้าที่ 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 okay, this one is different. It's not mean minute. Okay, หน้าที่ this is the word of flat tone. That one that means minute, of course. So what about this one? How about this? Do you know what does it mean for this one? Yes, หน้าที่ 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 this one is just like the thing that you have to do every day. It is that the thing that you must do because it is the thing that you have the calling to do it. It's similar to the occupation, but it's not. Okay, that's the right things to do. Okay, so I will answer it for you. Okay, หน้าที่ that mean duties. Okay, duties, the function of something or the duties that you do every day. Duty or function. Yes, the duty, Kun Carlo. Duty, like the word Call of Duty for someone that is interested in games. Yeah, duty. D-U-T-Y, of course. So this one is the word หน้าที่ and I will give the example before we edit the class today for the word duty. Okay, so here is the thing. ฉันเป็นนักเรียน ฉันเป็นนักเรียน I am a student. I suppose that everyone here know that. ฉันเป็นนักเรียน มีหน้าที่เรียนหนังสือ Okay, so this one is a bit long. Okay, it's a bit long, so we just separate it. For the first one, ฉันเป็นนักเรียน ฉันเป็นนักเรียน I am a student. มีหน้าที่ I have a duty, a job to learn, to study. มีหน้าที่เรียนหนังสือ เรียนหนังสือ not a book. Okay, not to study a book, but it means that you have to learn to acknowledge yourself. So this is how you can use the word หน้าที่ นะครับ หน้าที่ so the word หน้าที่ is supposed to be in front of the verbs. หน้าที่ หน้าที่ plus verbs. Okay, หน้าที่ มีหน้าที่ have a duty to do something. Okay, มีหน้าที่ so me in this case that means to have something. So you have duty, you have this one to calling to do something that is very important. Okay, I think that's enough for today. That now we just review a bit. Okay, so what have we here? นาที that mean minute. หน้าที่ that mean duty. Okay, and the another pairs is, okay, what is it? It is, what is it? Anyone remember it? No? Okay, I will answer it. So it is ประเทศ ประเทศ that means country, and ประเภท that means category. And category you can use like the classifier. Okay, number first and classifier. Okay, when you counting the number in time. Okay, thank you for today. And if you have any question or if you have any comment for to learning something, you want to learn something more with Victor, you can comment below in our class. Okay, and please, I have a little bit of advertisement. that is, if you interesting to learn with Victor in private to support, yes, you can private message to me. And about the live streaming, we have like this every Friday for free. Okay, 8:30 2 ทุ่มครึ่งนะครับ 8:30 every Friday that you can see from my page Learn Thai with Victor, that I will have long live streaming like this 30 minutes for free. Okay, so you can asking me anything about Thai language and Thai culture. And also, if you see on my pin post in my Learn Thai, you will see the page called Go Around with Victor. That is another one that I will go for the sightseeing and the good attraction place location in Bangkok and Thailand. All right, and if you want to support on the Facebook, you can give the stars to this live streaming. All right, okay. อารัญญประเทศ oh yesอารัญญประเทศ have a many place for the borders post, sir, that is have around here near the Kampucha, the Cambodia in Thai word is Kampucha. Yeah, Aranya Pratet is the place of the border that you can use to pass, and in opposite of the river of the Meklong River, here แม่น้ำโขง you can see the place like a casino stuff is called Poi Pet there. It's very yeah, for the good and relax for someone that interested about gambling. Yeah, I have a Chinese to take over there, I suppose. Yeah, I'm not yeah, if you have any more question, yes, feel free to ask this about the Thailand, or about the Thai language, or just private message to me, that I love to answer every question of my good friend. Okay, so thank you for today, and see you on next Friday same time 2 ทุ่มครึ่ง 8:30 ครับ for today สวัสดีครับขอบคุณครับ thank you so much